Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve snapshot error. To know how to fix or how to solve snapshot not available, you should just go to settings. Then in this page you will enter to apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you will enter to snapshot and you will click. After that, in this list of app info, you will enter to first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to storage. After that, we click clear cache. And in the end, you can go to Play Store, you will search about Snapchat and you can update your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.